suck.
Go. Put your bum further. We can't get through there. That's all swamp.
Oh no. Oh my god, we're stuck here now. Stuck. We gotta find a way out.
Oh my god. We're stuck in this place. Jesus. Here we are fishing. Bedford. All right, train stopping. We can't go back the way we came in because the train's there, so we got to go into the tunnel because that train looks like it goes all the way to Halifax. It's friggin' long. There's a deer in here with us. We're going the same way, dear. Yeah. We're leaving, dear. Deer's like friggin' trains there. I can't go that way either.
We're gonna go around you. We don't. There's caves there, though. Remember?
Deer's still walking the same way we are. It wants to go that way, but it can't because of the train.
Right here. I don't think we can even get out.
Yes, we can go into the tunnel.
This is the tunnel. There's a cage.
There's a tunnel on the left-hand side in the bushes.
Oh. I was like, how the fuck wrong?
See you later, dear. Oh shit, that's a swamp. We can't get through there. That's all swamp.
Oh no.
We're gonna have to crawl under the fence.
I don't think I can fit.
Jesus.
I'm trying because I ain't staying here.
Who's going first?
I can't fit up there. Hold my phone.
You're going first?
Here.
You can do it.
How do I do this? On my belly and get filthy?
Yeah, that's the only way. Go backwards. You look like a fucking criminal.
I am. My bum's stuck. Help. I can't get my bum
What?
stuck.
Go.
I can't.
Put your bum further over this side.
Where?
In the middle. There you go. You
Oh
got
my
it.
god, it's really stuck.
Once your bum gets
No, it's
here, I'll lift up on it. Hang on.
My cage. Oh my god, we're stuck here now. We're stuck. We gotta find a way out.
Oh my god. We're stuck in this place. We can't go that way. Now it's going. There we go. I put a board down there. Let's go across the board and into the tunnel.
Is that safe though? Did you check it?
Yeah, just hold the wall while you're scaling over it. All right. Hang on.
Oh no, it's really sinky in here.
Just a sec. Look for things to step on.
I'm trying. There's no lights.
Did you get a soaker?
Yeah.
Hey, you look over there?
Hi, sorry, no, we just got trapped by the train and trying to get back up over there, so now.
I was debating walking through that myself.
And I tried to sneak through the gates and slide under, but my
Couldn't-
ass is too
Couldn't
big.
fit under the gate. Yeah.
And now the train's moving, of course.
Oh yeah.
It is.
You've been here for an hour
Yeah.
trying to get out.
Really fun.
Have a good one, buddy.
May the odds be in your favor.
What's that?
May the odds be ever in your favor.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm
It
not
usually
gonna-
never is.
No, me neither, brother. I feel you.
There is nothing better than another country.
Did your shoe just get wet or did it soak right through?
And I think it might have been just mud now.
Alright, we're out.